In this tutorial, you will learn how to export your catalogs from AuctionWriter, how to import your catalogs to AuctionFlex360, as well as some tips and tricks to optimize these experiences. Let's get started. Navigate to the catalog you wish to export. In the top right corner of your catalog, you will see a button that says Export. Click this button. Select Data and Images, and make sure that your preferred platform is chosen as AuctionFlex360. Click Export. Once the file is downloaded, locate it on your local device. It should be a .zip file, which means that it is currently compressed. To unzip this file on a Mac computer, simply double-click. For Windows and PC users, right-click and extract all. When you open the folder, you should see a .csv file as well as a folder with all your images. The images are formatted for a simple import process into AuctionFlex360. Let's take a minute to get familiar with what the format of your CSV file is so that you can map your import properly. You can open a CSV file in any spreadsheet software. I've opened this in Google Sheets. The important thing to note is the top column with headings. These fields are what will map the data properly into AuctionFlex360. Now you're ready to import. Log into your AuctionFlex360 account and create an auction that you wish to upload your AuctionWriter catalog to. Inside the catalog, navigate to the Lots tab so that the Import Lots button will appear in the top right corner. Click this button and navigate to the CSV file. Click Go to Next Step. On the left, you will see a list of the headings that were visible on the spreadsheet software in the previous scene. Now we will map them to the proper fields in AuctionFlex360. For lot number, look for lot number. The title will map to title. Description will match to description. And your estimates will match to pre-sale estimate min for the low estimate, pre-sale estimate max for the high estimate, and your consignor ID is the same thing as seller code. For quantity, match to quantity. If you do not wish to import a certain field, for example, some of our clients prefer not to share estimates. Simply leave these as no mapping and proceed to the next step. Select Start from Row and specify the starting row as number 2. Click Import. When the import is complete, you will be able to view an entire catalog with properly organized data. Now it's time to import the images. Navigate to the Lot Images tab and select the image folder that was supplied in your AuctionWriter export file. Inside your folder, select all of the images. A keyboard shortcut to achieve this on Mac and PC is Ctrl+A. Once you've selected all of your pictures, click Open. You will be returned to the AuctionFlex360 screen in your browser. Click Upload. AuctionFlex360 will begin to import all of your images with the correct lots. This process may take a few minutes. When the import is complete, you will be returned to a screen with all of the images and their statuses. To confirm that the import has properly attached images with their lots, we would recommend going to the Lots page, clicking on an individual lot, and looking in the Lot Media section. The first time that you import, it might be a little intimidating. Thankfully, AuctionFlex360 will remember your import mapping settings. The next time you go to import, you can simply check Use Last Import Mapping, and this will greatly speed up the process. You can check that the mapping is proper by scrolling down and checking the headings with your lot information. It is important that your consignor IDs already exist in AuctionFlex360. Otherwise, the import will fail. AuctionFlex360 will simply skip lots that do not have identified seller codes in the system. This means that your image imports might also be misaligned. Therefore, we recommend that you create customers before assigning consignor codes in your AuctionWriter catalogs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and we look forward to making every auction easier.